Hey guys, just a little different type of video today. It's that time of year where everybody is reflecting on their past year, and I'm no different. I have been thinking about what a fabulous year I have had, and you guys have made all the difference. Liking, subscribing, and just a thumbs up on my video is incredible, and I'm so appreciative of you guys. And I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year. And I have a few friends that also have a few things to say.
Hey guys, just visiting my friend's channel. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody out there for all the love and support and for being such a huge support to the acrylic pouring community. I wanted to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and all the best for 2020.
Hi everybody, I'm just stopping in on my friend's channel to wish them and you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. If you don't celebrate, I wish you happiness all the same. There has been such a supportive community when it comes to acrylic pouring, so this is why I am stopping by to say thank you, because not only do you help by watching, by commenting, by clicking the like button, but you help us up here. And for me, that is priceless. So thank you for your support. And with that being said, happy pouring.
Hi everyone, really quick, I just wanted to pop by my friend's channel to say hello and to thank the entire acrylic pouring community, the artists, subscribers, the suppliers, everyone. Without you guys, this amazing creative space would not exist. So thank you, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.